Class 6, Subject English, Unit 3.1, Time, written by Christina Rossetti. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 64 sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runs. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. Thank you.